Nice little Mark II. This is a 56. This car was priced right up with Rolls Royce. It's like $10,000. That's the wrong hubcaps. It is a treat seeing these. This may not be pristine, but I don't care. It's still a Mark II, which really says a lot. Let's go on to this Premier over here. Again, Lincolns you just don't see. This is a Premier. Power windows. Beautiful. This one has the optional GPS craftily added onto the dashboard. Nice. 56. Okay. A little bit of late 50s luxury. Of course, the infamous 59. I like the cow interior. What else would be? Because it is a Cadillac. Sorry, couldn't resist. Actually, I could have, but I didn't want to. The infamous fins. Gorgeous. 60 T-Bird. People lamented the Square Bird, but this car sold like hotcakes. Interesting stripper. $58. Look at all that gleaming chrome. Oh. Iconic shot right there. And of course, this one's always going around the internet at this point. The screaming face. Ah! You'll never look at the car again the same way.